In this video, I will show you how to blur a face in CapCut PC. First, import your video into CapCut and drag it onto the timeline. Now, go to the Effects panel and search for Blur. Drag and apply the blur effect to your clip. You can adjust the intensity from the effect settings depending on how strong you want the blur to be. After that, go to the Mask option and click Add Mask. Then choose Circle. Resize and position the mask so it fully covers the face. Fine-tune the mask settings for smoother edges. Next, scroll down and enable tracking so CapCut automatically follows the face movement throughout the clip. Let the tracking process complete, then play back your video to make sure the face stays covered. If any frame is missed, manually adjust the mask position or add a keyframe to correct it. Once everything looks perfect, export your video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.